Honestly, growing up, I never knew about this career. I didn't have any artists in my family, so I didn't think this was a possibility for me. So even just exposing people to this opportunity, I think is a win. What's up, y'all? I'm Karina Milan, celebrity makeup artist, born and bred in New York City. But today, we're gonna be talking about Latin heritage, which I'm excited about because it's something that I haven't really spoken about much on here. One thing I really love about my culture is how passionate and hardworking we are. I think that's what makes me a great team player in this industry overall. Being Latina has absolutely influenced my passion for makeup. We love aesthetics, we care a lot about our image. Growing up, seeing that in my cousins and my aunts, my mom, of course is gonna make me care about those things. One of the best pieces of advice I received when I was starting off is that everything is a learning moment. Even if you mess up one day, 2 days, like you're probably gonna mess up a lot of times, but make sure it's a mistake that you never make again. Being a part of this industry has helped me empower other Latinas by making them look and feel more beautiful. We all could use people that serve that purpose in our life, but also showing that there's an opportunity of being successful as an artist in a career that's fun and explorative and lucrative. Like, honestly, growing up, I never knew about this career. I didn't have any artists in my family, so I didn't think this was a possibility for me. So even just exposing people to this opportunity, I think, is a win. Personally, I like supporting other women in my field by bringing them around. I think it's as simple as that, because as visual artists, we have to be around it to see the techniques. I really enjoy talking about this because I know our culture affects the way that we move, not only in this industry, but in life in general. Thanks, Bobbi, for giving me the space to talk about this. Later, y'all.